feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Hello everyone, welcome to the BTS Update channel. After V BTS's upload Blue Jazz de V aired, Minna Seo's name soared and was widely questioned. The question, who is Minna Seo in Blue Jazz de V, is a question because it is quite unfamiliar among K-pop fans. Quoting kpopping.com, Minna Seo has just been active in the entertainment world, or Minna Seo is a 20-year-old South Korean singer who participated in the survival show Stars Awakening. Minna Seo was born on November 29, 2002, so she is still 20 years old this year. She is currently studying at Seoul Institute of the Arts, Applied Music Department. It is known that Minna Seo was also involved in the cover of V BTS, Kim Taehyung's It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. The cover of the song, which aired on December 22, 2022, actually gives credit to other artists involved, including Minna Seo. However, since no documentation was shown at the time, fans were not intrigued by her vocal arrangement. This ESFP MBTI woman also participated in backing vocals and vocal arrangements. The woman born in 2022 is known to have a YouTube account at Minna Seo, which has 17.3 RB subscribers and has uploaded 14 videos. Quoting kpopping.com, moments after the video Blue Jazz de V was released, Minna Seo's daily popularity skyrocketed instantly. Previously known, shortly after the release of Blue Jazz de V, he expressed his feelings on his personal Instagram. It was an honor to perform with V from BTS. It's a very pleasant experience. Thank you Red Heart, he said in the caption of the video Blue Jazz de V. Here's how K-pop fans responded to Minna Seo's voice. And she's only 20 but already so cool like that? Her voice is really good, it's Minna Seo, and it's written in the description. Oh my god, their voices match so well. Special praise to singer Seo Minna for helping to make Taehyung's performance more than perfect. Dare. The harmonization between Taehyung and Minna Seo is so angelic, their voices are so beautiful. My parents were surprised, understanding that everything in life is not K-pop. After listening to Kim Taehyung Minna Seo. Clearly Blue Jazz de V is a gift to the whole world and lovers of this genre. The harmonization between Taehyung and Minna Seo is so good I cried over this clip.